Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. Now, before we will begin with our today's lesson, let's see what we have learned in our previous lesson. In previous lesson, we learned the days of the week. If you want to watch the lesson again, you can always go and watch lesson 10. Alright, now let's begin with our today's lesson. Let's learn a few vocabulary words today. The first word is day. In English we say day. In Urdu it is din. Din. In English, day. In Urdu, din. The next word is night. In English we say night, and in Urdu, raat. Raat. In English, night, and in Urdu, raat. The next word is today. In English we say today, and in Urdu it is aaj. Aaj. In English, today, and in Urdu, aaj. Let's repeat all of these words one more time. In English, day. In Urdu, din. In English, night. In Urdu, raat. In English, today. In Urdu, aaj. Repeat many times for practice. Alright? Okay, now let's move forward. We say star. In English, we say star. In Urdu, it is sitara. Sitara. The next word is rain. In English, we say rain. In Urdu, barish. Barish. The next word is snow. Snow in English, and in Urdu it is baraf. Baraf. Let's repeat these words one more time. First in English and then in Urdu. In English we say star. In Urdu it is sitara. In English we say rain. In Urdu it is barish. In English we say snow. In Urdu it is baraf. Repeat many times for practice, alright? Okay, now let's learn to say the sentence, what is the day today? In English when we ask, we say, what is the day today? In Urdu, it is आज क्या दिन है? आज क्या दिन है? We reply and say, today is Monday. If it is Monday, whatever the date is, we say that day. So, if it is Monday, we answer and say, today is Monday. In Urdu it is आज पीर है. आज पीर है. Now let's say this one more time. What is the day today? In Urdu it is आज क्या दिन है? The reply to this question is today is Monday, and in Urdu it is आज पीर है. Repeat many times for practice, okay? I hope that you have understood everything that we have learned in this lesson. Alright, so this is the end of our today's lesson. I will meet with you into the next lesson, inshallah, with something more and some new words. Till then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.